The all-new 2026 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia is a car that exists as much in emotion as it does in engineering. A rebirth of an icon that once defined a generation of stylish, affordable coupes. When Volkswagen first introduced the original Karmann Ghia back in the 1950s, it was marketed not as a sports car in the conventional sense but as a car for people who wanted to be seen in something beautiful, something that blended Italian design elegance with German reliability. The new model takes that same spirit and reinterprets it for an era defined by electrification, sustainability, and digital sophistication. It is not just a car, it's a conversation between past and future, a design philosophy reborn with modern technology. At first glance, the 2026 Karmann Ghia's design strikes with familiarity and novelty in equal measure. It retains the iconic low-slung silhouette and flowing curves that made the original such a darling of car enthusiasts worldwide. Instead of aggressive, sharp lines that dominate many modern vehicles, the Ghia opts for soft fluidity, a statement that elegance never goes out of style. The front end is clean and minimalist, with ultra-slim matic LED headlights that almost melt into the bodywork, paying homage to the rounded headlights of its predecessor without looking dated. The grille is nearly non-existent, reminding us that this is an electric car and no longer needs fast air intakes. Along the sides, flush door handles and aerodynamically sculpted wheels at a futuristic edge, while the rear showcases a full-width LED light bar that modernizes the familiar rounded tail of the original Ghia. It's a car that seems to glide forward even when parked, a very curve meticulously calculated to honor heritage while remaining aerodynamically efficient. Beneath that graceful skin lies the true transformation. The 2026 Karmann Ghia is expected to ride on Volkswagen's modular electric drive Matix, the MAP platform, the same one underpinning Fuso-e family of electric cars. This means the new Ghia is not just about nostalgia, it's about performance and responsibility. For purists, there is comfort in knowing the rear-wheel drive spirit of the original remains intact, with the base version offering around 250 horsepower and an estimated 320 mile-range on a single chassis. That's plenty of power for daily driving but with enough torque and responsiveness to satisfy drivers who appreciate spirited runs on winding roads. For those craving more performance, the GTX variant delivers dual-motor all-wheel drive with 400 horsepower, catapulting the coupe from 0 to 60 in just over 4 seconds. This makes the new Ghia not just a car you admire in the driveway but one you want to take on a mountain pass or an open highway, where its adaptive suspension and instant electric torque can be fully appreciated. Inside, the Karmann Ghia takes a bold step into the future while still finding ways to acknowledge its past. The cabin feels minimalist yet luxurious, dominated by a wide OLED display that stretches across the dashboard, blending driver information and infotainment into a seamless digital experience. Gone are the clutter of buttons and knobs, instead, controls respond to touch, gesture, and voice. There is, however, a touch of nostalgia cleverly built into the experience. Volkswagen is rumored to offer a retro mode for the digital cluster, transforming the screen into classic analog-style gauges reminiscent of the original Ghia's dials. This small feature demonstrates that the new Ghia is not trying to erase history, it's celebrating it. The materials inside echo Volkswagen's commitment to sustainability. Eco leather seats, responsibly sourced wood accents, brushed aluminum trim, and customizable ambient lighting all contributed to an atmosphere that feels premium yet conscious of the environment. Space inside is more generous than the original coupe could ever dream of, thanks to the clever packaging of an EV platform. The absence of a bulky engine up front and the flat floor afforded by battery placement means both driver and passenger enjoy comfort without compromise. Even the rear seats, traditionally a token gesture in coupes, are usable for shorter trips, making the Ghia more practical than one might expect. Technology plays a central role in making the 2026 Ghia as forward-looking as possible. Connectivity is seamless, with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, advanced navigation with real-time